Welcome to The Buzz, where we bring you the leaders in dental education discussing hot topic courses and industry trends. I'm your host, Vanessa Emerson, founder of Dental Speakers Bureau, and today I'm interviewing Dr. Bob Pick. Welcome, Bob.
A pleasure to be here. Just excited and love what you're doing. Love this intro video. 8 thumbs up.
Thank you. Now, Dr. Pick, his speaking programs help dentists step into their role as CEO of their business rather than just dentist in the practice. A popular business practice management consultant, a best-selling author, he's an entrepreneur and also a professional speaker. In fact, Dr. Pick was awarded the Gordon Christensen Outstanding Lecturer Recognition Award in 1998, which is quite an honor. We're really thrilled to have you here, Bob. And today we're going to be talking about Bob's presentation, Powerful Management Secrets of the Super Successful Dental Business, New Patients, Growth, and Wealth Creation. So to get us rolling, Bob, share with us, why do you think this course is relevant and important for professionals today?
First off, it's a long title, and I always think, like, God, I got to shorten it, but it says it all. And it's a course that anybody running a dental practice, which is a dental business, I think should take, just because it's me. And one of the things very early on was my team at Northwestern pioneered lasers in dentistry and allowed me to write the first book and thrust me on an international lecture circuit, but put me with great mentors that taught me so much. And I recently wrote an article that talked about you are running a business today. And I don't care if you're a millennial, a Gen X, or a baby boomer, your business acumen has to be there. I always talk about you always have to ethically do what's right for a patient with the best dental treatment. And if you think of yourself as a building with 2 towers, you always need to be building your clinical tower, taking the most amazing CE, doing it better than anybody else. At the same time, your business acumen has to be there, and you have to be building the business tower better than anybody else, because we are running a business today. And I left lasers a long time ago. If you ever told me I'd be into management, I don't believe it, or be in a book with Jack Canfield. And the book chapter is on what's called the PBR for the Pick Business Retreat. I discovered a long time ago that all Fortune 100 companies do something, and I always believe if somebody's successful, imitate it, do it better, put your own spin on it. They go away twice a year and do a business team building retreat. All dental practices need to do that. You can't do it at a morning huddle. There's no time at a monthly meeting. You got to go away and do it. And in the premier one, it's where you got to develop your office mission, your vision, your culture, why you do what you do. If you discover why, oh my goodness, you have to discover your brand. What do you do better than anybody else? In business, it's called the USP, unique selling proposition. A SWOT, and that's not a police thing, it's SWOT. You need to look at your strengths with your team, weaknesses, opportunities, threats. I learned from Harvard something called a STEW, satisfy the customer, which is the patient, team, extra mile, wow factor. Team building exercises, motivational videos. You come back jazzed, you're doing things that every Fortune 100 company does, and your business elevates big time. I never want anybody to make the mistakes that I made. I want to get them there faster.
That sounds like it's a pretty meaty course. Now, what I heard you say is that we talk about the importance of a business retreat or a team meeting. We talk about the importance of building the team, and you do some team building exercises in there. What other, what else does your course that you offer on the dental speaking circuit, what else does that offer the attendee? What other things do you cover?
The PBR is just really a part of it. And there's so many other things. The powerful secrets go on way past 100. There's things where leadership, how you develop leadership skills. These are things we're just never taught in dental school. Developing a great rock star team. How do you get them? How do you get 100% case acceptance rate? Understanding DISC, personality profile. Yes, your overhead has to be under control, but the fat in the middle, here's the overhead, here's your production. Unless your overhead's way out of control, it's so much easier to increase production. I can tell somebody how to put $183,500 on the books without spending a buck. Hospitality quotient. You want your patients to feel amazing, an amazing experience. And it just, I could go on and on and on and on. All these things are so important when I give the Powerful Secrets lecture. And, there was the colon, new patients, growth, and wealth creation. You got to have wealth. You got to learn how to save, how to put things away. This is part of business. You got to get new patients in the door. Growth. We live in such a different world today. Social media. What we're doing right now. I just wrote an article on video and its importance. It is huge. You've got to do video. So the fact we're doing this, I teach people how to do video, how to use it, how to do all these great Facebook posts. I get so excited, you have no idea. I could go on and on and on and on and on.
Well, I hear you, and I know after reading your course description, it does sound like you have a very comprehensive practice management and business management all rolled into one in this course. I see that it could be full day or partial day, and you certainly offer it for full team and doctors. It sounds like it's really something for everybody. Is there anything more that the meeting planner should know about this course before we wrap up?
It's a great question. And, what I think a meeting planner should know is on some of the Facebook groups that we have today, I'm known as the guy with the gray hair and the wisdom. I've been around for 34 years. I've made every mistake, not once, not twice, 3 times. I never want anybody to make the mistakes that I've made. I want to get them there faster. I'm also known as the purple cow, and that comes from Sid Gordon's book, The Purple Cow. It's how to be remarkable in an amazing way. When I lecture, sure, I have a consulting business, but I'm not about getting business. I love helping others. I like paying it forward. I want everybody in that room to get excited. I love lecturing. I want them to go back to their office. This stuff can be used immediately. We teach something as an example, the triple PVC, the PIC procedure, the triple P PIC procedure, PIC post-procedure video check. It's done day 2. It's one of the best ROIs, return on investment, you could ever do. So we do things that you can go right back to your office and use for great practice enhancement and reward. Anybody having me speak absolutely will not be disappointed. I love what I do.
Well, that really comes through. I love your enthusiasm. Certainly, you've got years of experience both as a dentist and as a consultant and speaker. So thank you for bringing your topic to the circuit. Thank you for sharing it with us today, Bob. And thanks for being here. And for the event planner who would like to find out more about working with Dr. Bob Pick, please visit dentalspeakersbureau.com, where you can see the full course description. And we'll connect you with Dr. Pick. And thanks again for listening in. And until next time, be well, and we'll see you then.